Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek and we are going to create realistic highlights. Like if you have a background and like a huge lightning, so you can follow along and create some awesome highlights for your image and it give you your image amazing look. So we are going to create this from this. So I already cutted the subject from the background. You can like use any pen tool or any other tool to remove your background from your subject. So I already did it because we have to save time, and this background I found it on FreePic or no, I found it on Adobe Stock, and you can easily find this kind of explosion and anything. And if you want to follow along, you can download this image from the description right now, so you can follow along with this tutorial. So let's get started, guys. First of all, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss another update. So let's get started with the video. So we have our subject, and as you can know, like in the background there is huge lightning and subject is too light. Subject have to be little dark because of lightning. So let's create levels and give it a dark color. You know, right, background is also changing, but don't worry about that. We can change this by clipping mask. Just make sure your background is, the subject looks good. So this is, I guess this is fine. This is fine for this tutorial. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'll create, we want a hue saturation there and clip it to the subject. Now click on colorize. Now this is a now okay, let's change the saturation, change the color. This yellow is looking good. Increase the brightness, and this looks nice. Okay, I go with this. And now invert the mask. You can select mask and go to image, adjustment and invert, or you can press Ctrl or I to invert the mask. Now select brush tool and make sure you selected this soft rounded brush. Play with the opacity. I go with 100 and just make your brush smaller and start painting on the highlights. So this is how you can do it. I'm fast forwarding this so you didn't get bored. Now what we are going to do, let's duplicate this layer and again clip it to the subject, delete its mask, create a invert mask by holding Alt and click on this icon. Now make sure, just make your brush bigger and change the opacity to like 9 or 10%. I go with 9 and just start painting on the edges like this. So I'm not cleaning stuff, right? You can clean it because I don't want this tutorial to be so long, but clean it and give it as much time as you can so it will look more realistic and amazing. So now what we are going to do, we are going to highlight some of these and give it a highlight. So like just paint on the highlights. You can see here, like here, you know, this is like this. Paint. Now create a new layer and select this color, or you can choose any color from the background. So I go with this orange. Now take your brush and make your brush bigger. And just dab like this, little dabs. Okay, now we are not changing blending mode, we are just decreasing the flow to about 30%, and you can like do whatever you want to, like you can create highlight for this, select this and create highlight for here, like for this, like you can literally, it's all about your imagination how you can present it. I know it's not clean, and please clean it, and how much, it's totally depends how much you do cleaning work. And also I go with this, like little touch, looks great, and how can we forget this? So this is a huge lace. Like it really helps to blend your image correctly. Just play with it. It's all about your creativity, how you do that. So this is how you can create this illustration. For touch-up, we are going to create another level adjustment layer. Okay. So this time, clip it to the subject. And change, like make it dark, damn dark. Okay, now clip this also. Now invert the mask and make your brush bigger, make sure your foreground is white and flow at right 10%, and just dab where you want. You know that this place is dark, light is coming from behind, so this has to be dark. You know it, right? It has to be dark. Now let's, and you know that this has to be done. We made. So just paint on the subject like this, and you can change the flow if you think it's too dark. It looks more realistic. So this is how you can create this blending or this amazing highlight look. So you just work on details. I didn't work on detail because I want to show this to you and we don't have much time. So just try to make, like, don't forget these kind of details. Just paint here, and like small details means a lot. It will give your image an amazing look. So keep this in mind, and you can download these images, link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon, and see you in the next one.
Bored in the house and I'm in the house, bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house, bored. Bored in the motherfucker in the house, bored in the motherfucker in the